Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Let's talk about the naming convention system which we showed you in some time ago, in which the file naming convention was based to develop a system that is capable of displaying any file, right? And it can be MP4, it can be a PowerPoint presentation, it can be anything. So it uses a web form to display what you have to display. So it uses a web form and so today we are going to display you on our recent video which we wanted to share to our fellows who want to learn Quranic uh, mm, duas, yeah, and that dua is going to be displayed as soon as we click an it. So please listen to this video and try to memorize it. That you will find it useful in your daily practicing of these duas. Thank you very much. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the dua which I normally uh, tell to my friends, and it's my own experience also. It's very effective dua. Uh, it's a dua from the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the effect of this dua, recitation of this dua, is that it is guaranteed that all your worries for which you recite this dua, you recite this prayer, and then all your worries are going to be resolved, and all what you are worrying, uh, any problem you have, that's going to be resolved, right? And any sorrow feeling or any bad heart feeling or depression, whatever you have, that's going to be converted into the happiness, inshallah, and your heart will uh, get turn around towards the happiness, right? So I recited for those who want to learn the recitation of this dua. It is starts actually from here, right? Allahumma inni abduka ibnu abdik وابن أمتك ناسيتي بيدك معز في حكمك عدل في قضاؤك أسألك بكل اسم هو لك سميت به نفسك أو أنزلته في كتابك أو علمته أحدا من خلقك أو استأثرت به في علم الغيب عندك أن تجعل القرآن العظيم ربيع قلبي ونور بصري ربيع قلبي ونور بصري وجلاء حزني وذهاب همي. So this is, and after this it is that once you receive, إلا أذهب الله همه وأبدله مكانا حزنه فرحا, means in place of whatever the bad feelings or bad circumstances you have, that's going to be converted into the nice things. Good glad tidings is there, and you will uh, get everything resolved, and it will be happiness. It will be the sorrows will be converted to happiness, right? So I hope you will find it useful, and with the since it is the teaching of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and for whom it is, a Quran says, "Ma yantiqu anil hawa in huwa illa wahyu yuha." He does not say anything of his own, but it is uh, from here, right? ابن عبدك وابن أمتك ناسيتي بيدك معز في حكمك عدل في قضاؤك أسألك بكل اسم هو لك سميت به نفسك أو أنزلته في كتابك أو علمته أحدا من خلقك أو استأثرت به في علم الغيب عندك أن تجعل القرآن العظيم ربيع قلبي ونور بصري ربيع قلبي ونور بصري وجلاء حزني وذهاب همي. So this is, and after this it is that once you receive, إلا أذهب الله همه وأبدله مكانا حزنه فرحا, means in place of whatever the bad feelings or bad circumstances you have, that's going to be converted into the nice things, good glad tidings is there, and you will uh, get everything resolved, and it will be happiness. It will be the sorrows will be converted to happiness. Right? So I hope you will find it useful, and with the since it is the teaching of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and for whom it is, Quran says, "Ma yantiqu anil hawa in huwa illa wahyu yuha." He does not say anything of his own, but it is uh, whatever he says, it is to be taken as if it is revealed by Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. So may Allah give us tawfiq to practice it and make it a part of our daily routine. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.